Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
students. Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Thank you for your patience.
Sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thank you. So I'm so
Yes, sir.
sorry for
Yes,
all
sir.
these,
Yes, sir. It's audible
but
now.
Yes, sir.
right, confirming. Let me check the poll that is there. Okay, so we have 55 and 17 of them have
Yeah,
not
you
used MS Office.
already
Yeah, it's okay.
are.
Yes, your voice is breaking. All right. So now, when you click the Word 2016 or Word exe whatever based on your version, what you will do is that you will find this window. Okay, so you will find this window. It is for those who don't have a computers, who have not used MS Word before. I'm will be very specific with the basics. Okay, so when you open here, you will find these interface. All right, so on top, okay, we have something called as the quick access. All right, so this is called as the quick access. So yeah, if you check here, see the one which okay, the one which I have circled, this is called as a quick access. All right, you understand this part? Okay, the one which I have highlighted, this is called as a quick access. Right, can you see on the top left corner, I have highlighted with a red rectangle. So this is called as a quick access. All right, if you want, I can put here quick access. Okay, so this is called as a quick access. All right, so this is for us to enable to open a certain particular dialog, whether you want to save, for example. So you have to cancel or redo and undo all those over here. So you can add more on this over here. There is a drop down menu over here. So you can click here, open. If you want to have the open button over here, you can select this one. So once you select, you'll find here the open. Yeah, so the open menu comes up over here, and you have the open dialog box over here. All right, next one is, okay, if you want to add the draw table here, you have the draw table, okay, that is available over here. All right, so it depends on you keys that you want to put here, shortcut icons that you want to have over here. All right, so if you want to remove, you can again remove and give only the few icons over here. So those who don't know what is icon, this is a representation, a symbol. Okay, any symbol that is used for a particular function, that is called as the icon. Okay, so all right, so when I use the term icon, all right, I mean the symbols that is available and that depicts a particular kind of action or an activity. Okay, that is called as icon. So here symbols are here, so it is like redo or retype. Okay, all these. This one is for the undo. Okay, this is for save. All right, the one which I have highlighted over here is for save. All right, so likewise we have different icons over here. All right, so when you open the MS Word, you see over here, what are those? You have this part. Sorry, wait 1 second. You have this part. All right, you have the first part, this one. Okay, all right. So I've already mentioned about the quick access, and now to the top right corner, what you find? Yeah, there is a button for us to auto hide this particular panel that you see over here. Okay, maximize, minimize. You want to minimize over here. Change the size. Okay, you can see minimize over here. Likewise. Okay, and this is for cancel. So cross means for close the word, the MS Word that you have opened over here. So now, again, this is the first level, I would say, on top. Okay, the second one, what you find is the this one. See, this is the, sorry, 1 second. Okay, to over here. Yeah. So what is this? This is called as the Microsoft Word ribbon. Okay, RIBBON. This is called as a Microsoft Word ribbon. All right. So clear? All these that you find over here. Okay. So now, under this ribbon, you will find here 10. Okay, 10 different tabs. This is called a tab. So we have the File tab, Home tab. You have the Insert tab, Design tab, Layout, References, Mailing, Review, View, and the Help. Okay, right. You can ignore this help. Okay, this is used when we have certain kind of difficulty in understanding. So you can take the help from here. Okay, it will do a search. All right. So yeah, we don't use this one quite often. Okay, this is again not so important for us in terms of using and formatting and doing word processing. Okay, this is more about some kind of help for us. Okay, right. So what we need to learn is more on this tab. Okay, on these tab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these 9 tabs are very important, and all these tabs has additional kind of commands, additional kind of tools. Okay, so so if you click on files, you will be taken to the backstage view. Okay, this is called as a backstage view. All right, let me type here. Okay, this is called as a backstage view. Okay, so it will take to the other side, which is considered to be a backstage, and that's why the name says a backstage view. All right, here you will be able to see the new means when you want to open a new file. Okay, when you want to create a new document, you will click here new. Okay, we'll discuss on these afterwards. Okay, and open, you can open already a used MS Word file or any document. Okay, so if you have already saved certain kind of documents, you can open from these. Okay, all right, and if you want to save the file, if save this Word document, you will use the save. Okay, save as, if you want to change the format, you want to save in a different format, then you will use the save as. If you want to print the document that you have prepared, you are going to use this print. Okay, others are there over here. Okay, which you will not use quite often. We'll discuss in the different session. Okay, as some kind of intermediate or advanced part. Okay, but what you will use mainly is a new, open, save as, print. Okay, these are the things that you will be using quite often. All right, for the basic things, we'll start from here. Okay, so when you want to create a new document, you will click here new. All right, and MS Word 2016 has given other documents that they have already prepared. Okay, these are called as a template. The predefined, or already they have designed a page and they have kept for us to use, right, based on the theme. Okay, suppose you want to add a document as a letter. Okay, you can find out a template over here. See the different template, these are predefined. They have put of the different format, different styles. Okay, so you can use all these also. However, if you want to use your own, okay, and you want to have a blank document, then you can click on this blank. Otherwise, if you want to use some of the templates, you can always select the templates from here. All right, so see, this is one template which is available over here. These are freely available, you can download. Okay, then we will see on template and try to change all these and use in our document afterwards. So right now, select the blank document. So we have a blank document here. Now, before we type all those things, we will give okay, by default, MS Word will give a name. Okay, that is a temporary name, which is automatically given by MS Word. Okay, I have already previous one document which is not saved, and that's why it's coming as document 2. If you have opened only one document, and if it is not saved, then it will be, you will be getting as document 1. All right, here document 2 is given, but we need to change this one and save in our own with our own name. All right, so now I'll click. All right, for this time, okay, you can click on this and to save this. Okay, it will take you to a different layout like we have for the first time saving. Before you give any name, it will take you to the save as all the time. Okay, right? So we'll select the drive where we want to save our document. So I'm going to save here. So you will navigate to the different windows. Yeah. So now the document will be saved with our name. So I'll give here a demo document. All right. You can give any name. By default, 2016 MS Word, it will try to save as the DOCS file extension. All right, so I think you know what is file extension, right? It is the type of the file, okay? All right, you have heard of MP3 song, right? What is this MP3 in that case? MP3 is a file extension of the music or the file that you have, all right? Normally, this is for voice and music, all right? So likewise, for MS Word, we have this one for 2016 version. It will be saving as DOCX, all right? All right, this will be compatible to the document after 2007. That is 2007, 2010, 2013, 16 likewise. But if you want to make it compatible, means the document that you are going to save, it should be able to open in any version of the MS Word, the older version also. You will be saving here, right? Word 97-2003 doc. Okay, so it has a file extension of DOC. All right. This may be important if you want to share your document with any friends and you are not sure what version, whether they may be having an older version of MS Word or not. Okay, so we always prefer to use is DOC, but if you are sure that they will be having higher version, and then you can always save as a DOCX. Okay. All right, so MS Word normally has two file extension, that is DOCX or DOC. All right, so I'll be saving in DOCX. All right, so once you save, you will see here the demo document.docx. All right, so now you have saved the document, all right, in the particular folder or the drive. I'm going to type something over here. Hi or hello world. All right, so now I have typed something over here. Then I want to save this one. If you don't save the text that you have typed, it will not be recorded. All right, it will not be there when you open this particular demo document file. All right, so whenever you make certain changes, you need to save that one. All right, so for the second time saving, all right, or hereafter, you can just click on save. Automatically it will save. You will not be required to give your file name and all those things. Okay, but in certain cases, if you want to change the file extension from DOCX to doc, or you want to change the file name, you will go to the save as. So I'll select, you go to save as, and you give the different file name over here. If you want to save in a different file name, or you want to save in the same file name but with a different file extension, like over here DOC, you can always go to the save as and save likewise. All right, so this is not only for MS Word. Save as is always for any kind of softwares where you are required to save a particular file. Okay, all right, so that is, and this is done from the file tab. So when you click on the file tab, you will find the information of the document, all right, the properties, what is the size of the file, how many pages you have used, how many words are there, okay, and how long you open that particular document and you something over there. Okay, all those are given. Who is the author, okay, all these are given over here. All right, under the info. Okay, for advanced portion, you also you can protect the document. All right, here you will need a particular login for us to protect. The document will be open only after you authenticate, after you enter the password, or after you provide the access of a particular user. Okay. Yeah, this may be for advanced user. Okay. But what for a naive or a first-time user, what you'll use is new open save as. So what you need to know is that under the file tip, we have these buttons or these commands over here. Okay, open save as, print. Okay, print. You can select your own printer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
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 Available, what are the commands available over here under the file. Okay, next one is the home tab, and this is quite an important tab for all of us, whether you are a native or first time user or you are an advanced user. This is the tab where we will be working most of the time. Okay, the main text editing things are done in this tab. Okay, so you will have here have a paste command. You have the format painter. Okay, you will have different other commands over here. We'll see that one. But I want to take you to this portion. Okay, let me do this one. Okay, look at here, this portion. Okay, where is that? Okay, so you have here this portion. See, clipboard. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Sir, can't hear you.
Can hear you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.